Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix suspended Instagram account in just few steps. Let's get started. So first, open your web browser and search for Instagram. Then here, open the Help Center in Instagram and search for the problem that you want to fix. And here you'll be redirected to the appeal form, like you fill in your username, full name, and email. Then this will explain clearly that your account was suspended by mistake or request a review. Then submit the form and wait for the Instagram response via email, usually within few days. If you can't log in at all, go to help.instagram.com, search My Instagram account has been deactivated, and fill out the support form from there. And that's it. Just be patient while Instagram review your appeal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.